Hi everyone, welcome back to MVK Talks. Let me ask you a simple question. You want to build an SAP career, but which module should you pick? Should it be FICO or MM or SD or the new stars everyone is talking about, BTP and BDC? If you pick the wrong one, you can spend years stuck with a low demand skill. Today I am comparing all 8 major SAP modules. FICO, MM, EWM, SD, PS, PM, BTP and BDC. I will cover what each one does, what qualification you need, how much experience and the salary you can expect in India and in the Gulf. Completely tax free. And the most important question of 2026. With SAP's new AI Copilot Joule automating real work, which modules are the safest? With my 25 plus years in this industry, I will give you a clear verdict for every background. Watch till the end. Let us get started. Here is how we will compare. Every module goes through 8 checks. First, what the module actually does. Second, what qualification you need. Third, how much experience for entry, mid and senior levels. Fourth, salary in India in rupees. Fifth, salary in UAE and Dubai in dirhams, which is completely tax-free. Sixth, the Joule angle, meaning which AI agents are automating this work. Seventh, job demand in the market today. And finally, a future-proof star rating for the AI era, 8 modules and 8 parameters. By the end, your decision becomes easy. But first, what is this Joule everyone is talking about? Joule is SAP's generative AI copilot, and now it is becoming agentic AI. In 2025 and 2026, SAP released more than 30 AI agents across finance, procurement and supply chain. When people hear this, the first fear is, will AI take my job? Listen carefully. That is the wrong question. The routine and repetitive configuration and data entry work, yes, AI will do that. The right question is, how do I grow with Joule? Do not compete with AI. Design it, configure it and govern it. In every module I cover today, I will show you exactly that Joule angle. Module 1 is SAP FICO, Finance and Controlling. The mother of all modules. FICO runs the company's money. General ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, cost and profitability. Every industry needs it. Banks, hospitals, manufacturing, retail. For qualification, you need BCom or MCom or MBA Finance or CA Inter. Plus the S4 HANA Finance certification. Accounting domain knowledge is a must. Now the salary. In India, roughly 5 to 25 lakhs per year. In the UAE, 13 to 32,000 dirhams per month. Tax free. Demand is very high. The Joule angle. Invoice and receipt agents now automate invoice creation and expense entries. So do not stay a data entry consultant. Grow into Joule driven finance design. Future proof rating 4 stars. Module 2 is SAP MM, materials management. This is procurement end to end. Purchase orders, vendors, inventory and invoice verification. The full procure to pay chain. Any graduate can enter. Supply chain or procurement domain helps, plus the SAP MM certification. Salary in India is 4.5 to 22 lakhs. In UAE, 12 to 28,000 dirhams a month. Demand is high. The Joule angle. Bid, analysis and sourcing agents now compare supplier bids and analyze contracts automatically. Your job is to configure and govern those agents. Future proof rating 3 stars. Module 3 is SAP EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. This is a premium one. It is physical logistics, put away, picking, packing, slotting and even robotics integration. Think of Amazon style warehouses, robots, conveyors and RF scanners all connected through EWM. For qualification, you need BTech or a logistics background, plus the EWM certification on S4 HANA. Salary in India is 7 to 30 lakhs, which is a premium range. In UAE, 15 to 35,000 dirhams. Demand is very high, and here is the beauty. This is the physical world. People, machines, and robots are very hard for AI to replace. Learn the automation side and you are safe. 4 stars. Module 4 is SAPSD, Sales and Distribution. The heart of order to cash. Sales orders, pricing, delivery, billing, and credit management. Any graduate with a commercial mindset can enter, plus the SD certification. Salary in India is 5 to 22 lakhs. In UAE, 12 to 30,000 dirhams. Demand is high. The Joule angle. The quote creation agent can turn an email inquiry into a ready quote, and the catalog agent maintains product data. So move up into CPQ and pricing strategy. 3 stars. Module 5 is SAP PS project system, the niche player. It handles big projects like metros, refineries and EPC, project planning, WBS, budgets, cost and revenue tracking. For qualification, you need BTech or MBA with a project management background. PMP is a plus. Salary in India is 6 to 22 lakhs. In UAE, 13 to 30,000 dirhams. And remember, the Gulf is full of mega projects. Demand is medium but loyal. Joule now gives instant project cost breakdowns. So move toward project profitability analytics. 3 stars. Module 6 is SAP PM plant maintenance. This keeps factories alive. Breakdown orders, preventive maintenance, and asset reliability. Perfect for mechanical engineers and maintenance professionals. Salary in India is 6 to 22 lakhs. In UAE, 13 to 30,000 dirhams. With oil and gas and manufacturing, the Gulf loves PM consultants. Joule's maintenance planner and dispatcher agents adjust schedules with real-time data. But again, this is physical assets. Add IoT and predictive maintenance skills and you are very safe. 4 stars. Now module 7, and please pay attention. SAP BTP, the business technology platform. This is SAP's cloud development platform. Integration, app development with CAP and ABAP, and here is the key. Joule Studio, where AI agents are actually built. For qualification, you need BTech in computer science or IT with real coding skills. Salary in India is 10 to 40 lakhs, the top of the market. In UAE, 18 to 45,000 dirhams a month. Demand has the highest growth of all, and the Joule angle is simple. Here, you are not replaced by AI, you build the AI. That is why BTP is the most future-proof career in SAP. 5 stars. And module 8, the newest one. SAP BDC, Business Data Cloud, launched in 2025. It unifies all SAP data, DataSphere, Analytics Cloud, and the Databricks partnership, all in one trusted foundation for AI. When a CEO asks why profit dropped in a region, the answer comes from this data foundation. For qualification, you need BTech or a data background, SQL, DataSphere, SAC, and Databricks. Salary in India is 12 to 42 lakhs, the top range. In UAE, 20 to 48,000 dirhams. This is where data and AI meet, the safest and highest demand role. 5 stars. Now let us put it all together. On salary, BTP and BDC clearly pay the most. Past 40 lakhs in India and up to 45 or even 48,000 dirhams in Dubai, tax-free. EWM is the premium niche. FICO, MM and SD are solid high volume markets. They hire the fastest because every project needs them. On future proofing, BTP and BDC get 5 stars. EWM, PM and FICO get 4. MM, SD and PS get 3. And remember, 3 stars is not bad. It just means learning Joule is not optional there. So which one is for you? If you come from commerce or finance, pick SAP FICO for the fastest entry. If you come from coding or IT, pick BTP or BDC for the highest salary and the safest future. If you come from supply chain or logistics, pick MM or go premium with EWM. If you come from sales or commercial roles, pick SD. If you come from mechanical or manufacturing, pick PM and maybe add PS. And if data excites you, pick BDC, the newest gold rush. That is the verdict, simple and honest. Whichever module you choose, follow these 4 mantras. 1. Learn every Joule agent in your module and be able to configure it. 2. Move to S/4HANA Cloud. ECC support ends in 2027, so cloud skills are mandatory. 3. Become the domain and process expert. AI does not understand business context, but you do. 4. Add BTP or integration skills so that one day you are the one building the AI. Functional skill plus Joule plus cloud plus domain. That is an AI proof SAP career. So tell me, what is your background and which module are you picking? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply and I will suggest the right module for you. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell, because a lot more SAP and career videos are coming on this channel. And check the SAP playlist for what to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.